This is where it's all gonna go down.
The pink wall itself is one of Los Angeles's most prominent landmarks, completely set up through social media. I think it's fascinating. I think the pink wall is a good symbol of how people can lose their individuality because you kind of just become one in millions of selfies. But at the same time, I think it also unites everyone because you are part of a group, you're part of this moment. I've always been an artist ever since I was a little kid. I was obsessed with movies, cartoons, pop culture, pretty much anything that was artistic in some sense. My mission as an artist is to express myself. For me, art is a cathartic process. It's putting out my feelings, emotions, and sharing them with an audience, and that conversation with an audience really is the most important thing to me. Number one, just visually, it causes you to stop, to look at it and say, wow, but then think about it, and it really presents the audience with some sort of connection.
I really appreciate it, and you're making a huge statement that means a lot to all of us.
Yes.
Get ready. Let's flash in the city and enjoy yourselves.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
I think this project ultimately is supposed to start with a wow, like it just stop people, stop traffic.
So excited! Check it out!
This project really kind of brings back the spectacle of the wall and how it's really not just a picture background. It's this monument to where we're at in time and culture, and this project will definitely achieve that.